Here we come to the main lobby elevator at the M.D. Anderson Library at University of Houston, Texas. This one's a Schindler hydraulic elevator. I didn't realize this elevator was here. Just exactly like the red elevators, too. Still hear that motor well over that fan. There's your phone. See if the bell works. It chimes, but it doesn't light up till after it rings. All right, there it goes, and that's it.